we're at my shop, and what was it, like 2 weeks ago? I posted if I find this shit, I was gonna burn it. I lost it, and low key, I was blaming it on Emily, and because it was on my desk and then it disappeared, and I ordered a new one, spend money on it. So this part over here is a brand new part for a Toshiba laptop. It's a power button. See over here. And people, please do not try this at home. That's how we came to the shop. It smells flammable. Yeah, just a little bit. But this we are gonna soak. Read this, Joe? Get in there. Dripping. Catching that, Joe?
Yep.
All right. So I'm keeping my promise. You see? Really? Joe?
Hey, it's not my fault.
Okay. Anyway, and here are the matches we're gonna be using for today's. I don't know, dude. I got mad when I lost it.
I think you just toss a few in there.
Oh, you're right, Joe.
Oh, that thing smells.
Okay, I think I put a little bit too much.
This is not good.
No, it's not good. It's not that bad, Joe.
It didn't burn.
Not that bad.
It didn't burn. Now it's burning.
Yep.
Now it's bubbling. Now it's bubbling. I think you killed it.
I killed it. Is it still good? Well, it's a little bit more. I should have got more water. Use that to kill a fire.
You know what we should have done?
What?
Wrapped it on a piece of stick.
Oh no. Keep my promises. Burn that shit. I said if I ever find that piece of shit, I was gonna burn it. I didn't find it. I had no reason to burn it. But still, it was found. And I think my promise still had to be kept, you know? Had to be kept, you know? It just had to. Shit happens, you know? Shit happens, Joe. You know what sucks?
What?
A vacuum.
That was pretty lame. See what he does while he inhales it.
Nothing. Okay. Get that shit, Joe. Should have bought more matches.
Yeah, there was only about how many in there? 250. Oh, there we go.
Okay, that was a bad idea. Okay, top of this.
An idea was not what to do.
Oh fuck! Okay, Joe. What?
Go now.
Shut up.